Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. For the money, DJI's Osmo Action 5, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, is the best action camera you can buy right now. It trumps our previous top pick, the GoPro Hero 13 Black, in several ways, including battery life, which tops out at 2 solid hours of 4K video recording in my tests. The Action 5 Pro can now record a 4:3 ratio in 4K at 120 frames per second and features a new Super Night mode, which shoots up to 4K per 30 frames per second footage at 16:9 and uses noise reduction to get great footage, even in low-light situations. Want great audio? The Action 5 sounds decent out of the box, but it seamlessly integrates with the DJI Mic 2 or the new Mic Mini to offer much better audio. Better than what I've been able to get from GoPro, even with the GoPro Media Mod and an external mic. I also really love the Action 5 size. It's smaller than the GoPro and easier to mount on helmets or bike handlebars. The mounting system is unchanged, which is a good thing because this is the best magnetic system I've tried. Sure, the GoPro Hero 13 offers 5.3K video resolution, higher than the Action 5, but in practice, I've encountered very few situations where this matters. Given the longer battery life, much better low-light capabilities, and smaller design, DJI is the better buy. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The Hero 13 Black, 7 out of 10, Wired recommends, is the first major update to GoPro's flagship camera in many years. While the design remains roughly the same, a new interchangeable lens system makes the Hero 13 Black considerably more versatile than anything else in this guide. In addition to the standard lens, there is now an ultra-wide lens mod, $96, with a 177-degree field of view, a new macro lens mod, $130, 4 close-ups, and a new anamorphic lens mod, $130, with a 21:9 aspect ratio and those sweet movie-style lens flares. We're still waiting on the anamorphic lens, which GoPro said will be out this spring, but others are available now. All those lenses make for a much more expensive system, but you can buy them as needed, there's no need to invest in it all. The Hero 13 Black also introduces a new magnetic mounting system, finally catching up to competitors, and it's great. Unfortunately, the camera sticks with the same sensor, which shows its age when compared to the competition. If you don't plan on shooting in low light though, the Hero 13 Black is still plenty capable, and the new lens mods open up some shoot possibilities unique to this camera. Number 3. GoPro Hero 13. Alongside the Hero 13 Black, GoPro is back to making a plain Hero camera as well. It's a tiny little thing, the picture really doesn't capture how small this thing is. With no front screen, no 5.3K video, it tops out at 4K/60p, and stabilization must be done in the GoPro Quick app, but if you're on a budget or just want the smallest form factor you can get, this is the way to go. I reach for this camera a lot more than I thought I would, partly because I rarely shoot higher resolution than 4K 30p, and this thing is so small I forget I'm carrying it. It's perfect for tossing in a bag just to have a camera with you, or for helmet mounts or other situations where the size matters. The two things I don't like are that I have to send the footage through the Quick app to get stabilization, and it doesn't have a built-in magnetic mount, which I think would open up a lot of shooting possibilities currently only possible with our next pick. Number 4. Insta360 Go 3S. Insta360's Go 3S, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is a hybrid camera that transforms from a traditional action camera design to a more portable go-anywhere wearable camera. In action camera mode, it's much like everything else in this guide. The flip-up rear screen is very similar to the company's Ace Pro. The Go 3 isn't fully waterproof in this mode, which is a significant downside, but when you remove the camera from the case, the camera itself is waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters. The case can continue as a remote monitor even when you pull the camera out. Couple that with the extremely strong magnetic mounting system on the camera pod, and the Go 3 becomes capable of shots and angles that no other camera in this guide can match. Most importantly though, this camera is just plain fun. I keep mine in my camera bag all the time and find myself using it more and more. The Go 3S upgrades the video resolution to 4K, which makes it easy to combine with footage from other cameras. The simplicity and ease of shooting with the Go 3S are hard to match. Just stick it somewhere and do your thing. The only real downside is that there's no SD card. For that reason, I suggest spending the extra money on the larger 128GB model. Number 5. Insta360 X4 360 camera. We've got a whole guide to 360 cameras, but the line between action camera and 360 camera continues to blur. While I am generally a fan of things that do one thing well, Insta360's X4, 8 out of 10 Wired recommends, is a compelling argument that sometimes a camera can be great at two things. This hybrid 360/action camera offers 8K 360-degree footage in a tiny, consumer-friendly package. When you're not feeling like 360 footage, switch to single-lens mode and use it like a 4K action cam. The X4 is slim, relatively lightweight, and can shoot very high resolution and fun. Don't forget fun. 72 MP spherical images. The result is a camera that's great for people who primarily shoot 360 footage but want to occasionally shoot something more action-oriented.